Hello and welcome. So I thought I was going to show you how to choose what traffic to get on Udemy. So first thing you have to do is go on Udemy, and if you go on that, this is my account. So what you want to do is when you've logged into Udemy, you've gotten your account. You go to find sellers, or you can also go on solo deals and you will find specific deals that they have put out. But when you want to find the sellers, it's important that you can see what kind of niche they are in. Most of the sellers are in the business of making money from home or on the computer and so forth. So if you're in that business, Udemy can be a good resource, but it's always best to check that the niche actually fits. And then you want to have got sales, probably lowest at 30%. But if you get more, then that's definitely positives. You don't have to have uh, you can set up the main traffic source you want to top tier countries because they are English speakers, and then they will understand. You can know that they will understand what you're saying and what you're coming from. There are probably good customers in other countries as well, but you cannot be sure that they will get the message. So you will have to make sure that the top tier countries is chosen. So for example, if you want them to start within 14 days, and you can choose if you want faster or that's the longest time they can have. You can even choose where you want the seller to be located. You can see how many repeat orders they have, and if they have many repeat orders, then it means that people were happy with their what they performed. So it's also a good thing. And price maximum, you can set your own price maximum here, but then you just check, and some of them have a little bit of an over delivery, like 15% over delivery, and then it's high tier 1, high opt-in for subs. That's what they're saying about themselves. You also want to see what the people that actually bought say about them. So let's take a look at, for example, Udimi Guga here. And here you can see that you can choose any amount that the seller has set up, so you can choose to get that. And here is about the seller, and 97 top tier. It has some video ratings. That's good. So this one has sales, for example. That's good. You can see here, got sales, got sales, got sales, no sales, and no sales, got sales. So it's pretty good. You always want to try them out to make sure it's a good seller. Maybe 300 visitors is good for that, to try them out. And it doesn't necessarily has to be the most expensive one that has the best visitors. It can be someone who's more cheap, but you have to find the right seller to get it right. For example, this one says he's the #1 Udemy seller in September for sales. Hall of Fame awards, sold a lot. There's 1 video rating, got sales, got sales, got sales, got sales, got sales. This one seems to be good, right? This one costs less than the previous one. So, like I say, it doesn't necessarily mean that the most expensive one is the best one. It's you have to try it out, what works for you, and you have to see that the seller, for example, have your niche. So this seller says only make money online links. So this one is make money online, and that's the only thing he does. For example, say your niche is different, then you can have marketing, finance, health, for example. There's a couple, it's not that many, there's 4 sellers that are under 160. Can put it a little higher to see if it, and it found 5 sellers. It's not that much, for example, but that's important. Let's put it back at 60 and let's go back at any niche, since it's this way. So if you have like this is like very important, because you don't want to use someone that has targeted their traffic for health when you're actually in the make money at home business, because then they think they're gonna get to some like get slim fast kind of page, or something like this, or how you're gonna train, and then they come to a make money at home page, they might not opt in. So it's very important to what niche it is. So you have to check what the seller says about his niche, and also the tire one. And then we can see if we find someone who the reviews. You have to check the reviews always. Let's check, for example, this person's reviews. This person doesn't, for example, they have a maximum of 400 and 100% top tier countries, which is good. Got sales, a couple that didn't got sales, and then yeah, see, most are happy with what they got, which is good. And also you want to see that they got some sales, otherwise it will be hard for you to get sales if nobody else is getting sales, right? So yeah, it's yeah, it's a little bit cheaper than the other one, for example, but just to help you, what you can do, you can also become an affiliate yourself. If you want to become a member of Udemy, this is my affiliate link. I will put it in the description, so you can be part of Udemy as well. And you can also earn some commissions there. But Udemy is mostly for getting people to actually come to your page. So to have front up sales, like front end sales, is a plus. That's that's what you want from this page. So that's why it's so important to find the right seller. And now you have some information on how to do it. If you have more questions, please comment below, and we can discuss it more. Maybe I can make another video, but otherwise just subscribe and you will have some content to see when you need to figure out how to do with the Udemy and other things. Okay, thanks. Bye.